Alright, in this video I would like to show you how to install operating system remotely via XCC controller. Just select the media here and select your ISO image and then mount local media. It is being mounted, and then go down and select the next boot up, which is this ISO image, and manually restart or restart the server right now. Since it takes a while, I would like to mention something, and it's because we are connected via the network to the server management port and using the media as the local one. So it takes a while more than the dedicated operating system on the server itself. If you want to use that one, we can use the USB which we created in previous video and mount it physically on the server and boot from the USB and install the operating system from that USB, which will be much faster. But this way we don't have to go physically to the data center and we can do it remotely, but the time may be short. Anyhow, this choice is based on you, and then it will go through the installation of the Windows 2019. As you see, it's a bit slow, and this is because everything should go through the network. So I finished the video here because the rest is just installing the operating system and has nothing more than that. But I highly recommend in the cases that you want faster installation, you prepare the USB drive and mount the operating system on that and physically mount it on the server and boot from the USB drive from there. Thank you very much for your time and see you in the next video.